Hey Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know the next time I put up a video. Today, I am going to be talking about bentonite mask clay. I bought this at my new beauty supply store in my neighborhood, and it's the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and it's the world's most powerful facial. And I'm going to use it for my for a facial, and I'm going to use it for my hair. In the back, it tells you the directions that you should use a regular bowl, but not a metal bowl or a metal spoon because of the um, calcium that's in the bentonite clay. And then it also tells you that you should have use either water or apple cider vinegar. It tells you give equal amounts of the clay to the apple cider vinegar and mix it in the bowl and stir. It tells you also to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes for sensitive skin, and for regular skin or normal skin, 15 to 20 minutes. Um, I can't wait to try this. I need to get something to detox my hair and my face because I just feel like I've been having a lot of buildup on my hair. And when I saw this at the store, I said I have to buy it, and it was only $7.99. So here we go. Let's try to mix this up and see where we go. I have my tablespoon measurer, and I'm going to scoop it, maybe 3 scoops. That's one, two, and I'm going to level it out, and three. And then I'm going to measure uh, the apple cider vinegar with equal parts, and I'm going to do 1 scoop, 1 tablespoon first. And guys, when I poured this in here, uh, it started fuzzing, and it was like it started working. I was like, oh wow, I was just amazed. You know how the little science projects you try, and you get all this the bubbleness out of it, but it just started fuzzing and making bubbles. So I started stirring it up, and then I went and put in some more apple cider vinegar. Uh, this clay mask, I've heard by many people. I've seen many videos saying that it is a great detoxer, and I'm hoping so because, as I said before, I have a lot of buildup on my hair. I think that's why the products are not. My hair has been really, you know, limp, and I'm hoping this will help when it comes to my hair. And then my face, I just want to get some of them, open my pores up and get some deep cleaning in my face because I do facials weekly, but sometimes I just don't feel like I'm really getting in there and getting into the pores. So I'm hoping this clay mask will work. I am stirring it around, getting it all worked around and stirred in, and that's how it looks right now. I'm going to stir a little bit more. And remember, guys, don't put this in a metal bowl. Use a plastic bowl or something that you don't need later on. I use something I had, my husband loves to keep these bowls from when we buy Jimmy Dean stuff. But hey, and I always want to throw them away, but now I'm glad I didn't throw them away. But don't let him know that he was right to keep the bowl, guys. All right, there it is mixed up. I'm stirring some more. Let's adjust the camera so you can see what's going on. And I am going to now take off my gray Elise bonnet and untwine my twist and focus in a little bit better. My hair is somewhat wet, but it's not completely wet. And I'm going to try this without putting any more water on my hair and see how it does. As I work it in, I notice it is very stiff. My hair needs more water. So I'm going to get my water bottle and spray my hair with more water and then work it in. And I'm going to put it in like I would put in like I used to when I used to do a relaxer at home. I'm going to work it from my scalp all the way down to my ends and work it in, separate, and so I make sure I get completely within all my hair. And I just can't wait to see how this does on my hair. So, guys, I'm going to put this in And while I'm doing this, I would like to play some Christmas music for you while we move forward. Okay, guys, I have all the mask on my hair. My hair is completely covered, and I have some left over, so I'm going to use this all over my face. So while I put it on my face, continue to listen to some lovely Christmas music. All right, guys, I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to sit and let this bake, and let's see where we go after that. All right, guys, time is up. You see my little face is a little cracking. Hair's hard, not touching anything. Gonna get in the shower, gonna rinse it off, and I'll come back and let you see how my hair looks before I deep condition. Here we go. All right, Natural Divas, I am back. My face feels amazing right now. I rinsed off the mask, the Bentonite Clay mask, with some warm water. I went on and did some toner for my face, did my vitamin C serum, and I put my moisturizer on, and I feel, my face just feels softer, just clean, just like my I got a deep cleanse from on my face. Forgive my how I sound. My ears are clogged, and I mean, I've been fighting this, whatever it is, for a long time, and I'm hoping this is the end of it, because it's like it's coming out this way. But I want to see how my hair looks now. I rinsed it out. I washed my hair. I rinsed that off. I used Curl Talk shampoo one time. And then I used the Curl Talk conditioner to condition my hair. And here is my hair. What is that? Let me make sure I got nothing left in my hair. Okay. I mean, look at my curls. I'm looking at the mirror I got right here, guys. My hair feels soft. I got sheen to it. Definition curl. Look at those curls. Oh, I do have a little bit of Bentonite left. I mean, or something right there. I don't know what it is. I'll get it out. It looks like it's more clay in there. But I am loving this, guys. I should have been done this. What was I thinking? So this is my hair with no products in, soft, curly. Oh my god, it just feels so wonderful. I am going now to go deep condition, and then I'll come back and do another video on styling my hair with a new product I brought yesterday. Guys, in my little small county, we have a new beauty store, and this place is amazing. It's in our old CVS or Rite Aid, whatever it was, and it's wall to wall products. I mean, everything I couldn't find in my little small town, I can find now. So I am so happy, and they got great prices. They're giving a 10% discount for opening up. Just recently opening, and it's in Dunn, North Carolina, and it's called Beauty World, and I am so pleased with this place. So I am going to be trying out a lot more products, because a lot of times I couldn't find a product. I had to wait to order it through Amazon or something. I mean, and this store has everything. Everything. So that's why I got the Bentonite Clay mask from. Bought it right there off the shelf. Didn't have to order it from anybody. So I'll be doing a lot more when it comes to product reviews. And my hair feels amazing. So ladies, thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments. Have you ever tried the Bentonite? Oh, am I saying it right? I can't hear, guys. I can't hear unless I swallow. The Bentonite. Alright, now I know what I'm saying. It's the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world most powerful facial, deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. That's what I use. It was $7.99 at my new hair store. New beauty outlet store, or not beauty outlet, but beauty supply store in my area now. I can say that now. So, like it, love it. We'll be using it again. My hair feels amazing. I love it. I got shine. It just feels great. I mean, really feels great. And I haven't even deep conditioned yet. So, thank you, Lord. So now I am going to go deep condition and come back with another video for you all. So this will be a 2 for this week. Thank you for your likes, your love, and all the support I've gotten from you all. If you used this before, please put in the comment that you've used it before and tell me how it worked for you. And remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.